Okay, this is my life. I meant to just go do some lovely weeding like a normal woman because my guy is gone freaking all the time. And these walkway steps, there's some of them that are up too much, like those, and people are tripping on them. So I have to do freaking guy work. Take this one off, use a recep saw, and pull this stupid thing out because this tree is too close. Now I have to do here too. Like, look at this big log. I gotta try to recep out of there. It's too much for me. I should be like weeding and then like making dinner, normal shit. Okay, I'm all done now. And, well, I'm pretty happy I did it now, actually. Those are the roots I got from under there.
What?
That was making them stick up. But now they're good. Yay. I won't get sued from Amazon driver. Yahoo.